my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is rounding of whole numbers to nearest 10 and 100. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to round off a whole number to the nearest 10 and 100. Remember, this is the number line. Here the numbers are from 0 to 10. You can see that from here 0 is, first we are going to do round off to the nearest 10 and that will be a whole number. So first we are going to round off a whole number to the nearest 10. My dear students, please check this out. This is a number line. For the number line, you can see that we are having the digits from 0 to 10. The starting digit is 0 and the ending one is 10. We start from 0 and with same gap or interval, we are going to move forward to the number 10. Arrows on the both sides shows that this is never ending line. The middle number is 5 and the ending number is 10. And the starting number, you already know that this is 0. We call it the number 0. We call it the lower extreme in tens. And the number 10 is the upper extreme in tens. The middle number 5 is going to tell you that whether you are going to round down, mean from number 5 to below 0. Means from 5 to 0, we are going to round down to the lower extreme of the number in tens. Round up means that we are going to move forward to the next upper extreme number in tens. From the arrow position, you can easily check that this is rules to round off a whole number to the nearest 10. The first one is locate the tens place and circle the digit. The second one is look at the digit to the right of the tens place, that is ones digit, and underline it as well. Do underline the digit as well. If the ones digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round the number up to the nearest 10. The fourth point is if the ones digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, we round the number down to the nearest 10. Round downs, again I am going to tell you that round down means that we are going to write the lower extreme number in tens, and round up means that we are going to write the upper extreme number in tens. The fifth one is no rounding if the last digit at ones place in the number is 0. As it is already rounded to the nearest 10. Check the number line. You can see and note the rules by understanding these arrows marked here. We check the lower and upper extreme of the number in tens and write these on the left and right side of the number line. The lower extreme is to the left side and the upper extreme is always to the right hand side. For example, this is a question. Round off the whole number 136 to the nearest tens. Recall rule number 1. First we need to locate the tens place and circle the digit. So here this is 3-digit number, and by putting this number in the place value chart, we get that tens is the position of the number 3. So we are going to circle the number 3 according to the rule number 1. Now according to the rule number 2, underline the digit to the right of the tens place, that is ones digit. For example, in the same question 136, we are going to circle number 3, but we need to underline the digit at ones place, which is number 6. So we are going to underline this digit 6. Now the rule number 3, as the number 6 is at ones place, this is more than 5, so we round it up. Now rounding up means which limit will come. So we need to write it down on the number line like this. We are going to start the number in tens, means there must be 1 0 at the last of the 3-digit number. That is 130 is the starting or lower extreme of the number. 130 is the starting. By arrow you can see that both sides we are going to place arrows. Then we are going to write 130 here. Then after 130 we are going to write last number 140, because after number 3 you know that which number will come? 4. So 140 is the upper extreme, 140 is the upper extreme on the number line. In between the middle one, or you can say if we are going to mark the lines, how many lines will be here? Yes, 9 lines will be here in between this number. So in between the line 9s there must be number 5 is the middle number. Number 5, you can circle the number 5 so that easily you are going to get the location of this number. We are going to identify that where this number 136 will lie. 136 will lie right after the number 5. You can see on the number line, right after number 5 there is number 6. So 136 will lie over here where number 6 is written. So you are going to tell me that what you are going to do. Yes, you are going to mark an arrow from this number 136 to the number 140, and you are going to write below. Yes, you are going to write below that you are going to round up. And rounding up means that you are going to take which limit? Yes, you are going to take the upper extreme limit of the number, which is 140, and 140 is the final answer. By rounding off the number 136, we got the number 140, which is rounded off to the nearest tens. So the same previous steps we are going to follow, but as the third step was that the number 136 was greater than 5. Here the number 135, this is going to lie over here on the number line. Yes, in the middle of the number line. So at the middle of the number line where 5 is written, we are going to write 135, and there we are going to write the number, and we are going to tell that as this is greater or equals to 5 according to the rule number 3. So we are going to round the number up to the upper extreme number in tens, which is 140. Suppose for example, if we are going to change this number, ones digit number, only to 1, 2 or 3. So what will happen? If the number is 131, 132, 133 and 134. So what will be the answer? Just check it out. For example, if the number is 134, we are going to locate it on the number line like this, and we are going to mark an arrow from that number to the lower extreme. So the number final answer will be, that is, we are going to round down because this number is less than 5, and whenever the number is less than 5 at ones place, we are going to round down, means we are going to write the number 136, and hence we are going to say that hence 134 is rounded off to 130. So finally the answer will be like this if we are going to only change the numbers at ones place. I hope this concept is clear to you guys, and I hope you are going to practice it at home and are going to definitely learn more out of it. Take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.